auto body. Cruiser buses, whatever you want me to say, come and correct me if I'm saying it wrong. Driving an 85 Camaro powered by a 454-inch big block Chevy. He's going up against Dan Steely. Stilly. His 87 Daytona powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder.